afternoon. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I am Kay. Today I'm going to fix some rotisserie bread and butter chips salad. So I have 2 cups of rotisserie chicken that was left over from a rotisserie chicken I got from Publix. And I'm going to have half a cup of Mount Olive bread butter chips. I'm going to have 2 stalks of celery, 2 boiled eggs, and 1/4 cup of onion. And I'm going to just put the mayonnaise, and I usually use about 2 tablespoonfuls, but it's what kind of consistency you would like to, how creamy you want your salad to be. So let's get started. First off, we need to boil up eggs. Put them in a pan of water. When they come to boil, boil them for 13 minutes. And your eggs will come out of the shell, and you won't have any problem with them at all. And while that's boiling, I'm going to cut up the celery and the onion. And I'm going to cut up these pickles because I want them in little pieces. Now, a lot of people like dill pickle in their chicken salad. I happen not to like dill pickle. It doesn't matter where you've got it at, on a sandwich, on your plate. I do not like dill pickle. But I do like the bread and butter. And I like sweet pickle. So I have found out with my chicken salad, sometimes sweet pickles are just a little bit too sweet. With this bread and butter, it gives it a different flavor. And it's really, it's a different kind of flavor. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut up a ½ cup of pickles. Mix it out just a few more. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Thank you for looking at my videos. Please subscribe and offer me a comment. I have got to know some of you people that you have watched all my videos, and I really enjoy hearing from you. Your comments, how your family is doing. Some of them we've just sort of got to be really good friends, it seems like. Alright, let's see how many I've got right here. Now, ½ cup is enough for me. You may want more pickle in yours, but ½ cup is just about what I want. And I'm going to have ½ cup of celery. And usually 2 stalks should be enough, but I will measure it out. I do like celery, but in my chicken salad or anything I cook it with, I like for it to be cut up pretty much so. Hope you're having a good day. It's been raining here again, but I did say yesterday that we sure did need the water here. Make my flowers perk up a little bit. Let's just see if that's a ½ cup. I'm going to use this same cup to measure it in. I think I need 1 more stalk. Like I said, I figured it was going to take 2 stalks, so I do need 1 more. I said when I got this rotisserie chicken that I was not going to throw away what I didn't eat right that moment, that I was going to fix me some chicken salad. Haven't had any in quite a while. And we're going to have just a little bit of onions, not much. Some people don't like onions in their chicken salad, but I'm just going to take just a little bit of onion. I had already used part of this onion, use the rest. Okay. That's all. I put the celery in there with the pickles. And this will be the onions. I really think, let me cut that up a little bit more. I really think 1/4 of a cup will definitely be enough onions. There's my onions. And we're going to chop up 2 eggs. And I say make sure that when you get ready to cook your eggs, when the water gets to boiling, cook it for 13 minutes. And it comes out so pretty. Easy to shell, peel, and chop that up. And we're going to mix all of this with our chicken. And I cut this chicken up yesterday. There we go. Okay, there's your 2 cups of chicken. This has got 1/2 cup of bread and butter chips, 1/2 cup of celery, and your eggs. 2 eggs. Mix this together. Makes a pretty dish. I'm going to put a little salt and pepper in mine. Tom never salted anything, very seldom that he would put salt on anything. He loved his spices. He would put a lot of spices in different stuff, but he just sort of really laid off the salt. Stir it up real good. Looks pretty good. And then we're going to put, I think this will take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. But you really, on any salad that you're fixing, you don't have to use exactly 2 tablespoons full or 3 tablespoons full. Just mix it up until you get it to your desired that you like. Sometimes different meats and stuff will soak up more. There you go. I have known people to add a little mustard to it. It's mayonnaise, eggs, onions, celery, bread and butter pickles, the chicken. You can either make your sandwich, put it on the head of a piece of lettuce, and there you go. And that was a quick dish to fix. Now, if anybody comes in and needs a little snack, there you got it. Rotisserie, bread and butter salad. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Come back to visit me. Please subscribe. And please give me your comments. Hope you have a real good day. Bye.